In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money on Bybit. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, if you don't have an account on Bybit, this is the perfect time to sign up. So it's either you go to your mobile device and open the app and log in using your credentials, or just here on the web, go to bybit.com and sign up. It's free anyway. And once you've done that, what we need to do next is basically a crypto deposit is the transfer of crypto from an external wallet or another exchange via the blockchain transactions to your Bybit account, alright? So here are some steps by step for us to follow. First thing is, now if you're using the web, hover your cursor, alright, over the assets right here on the top right hand corner of the Bybit homepage and simply click on deposit to enter the deposit page, alright? And once you click on deposit, what will happen is you need to select the coin you would like to deposit right here. Say for example, BTC, alright? After doing so, select the chain type that you would like to use, alright? And after acknowledging the information message, you'll see your Bybit deposit address right here. Okay. Say for example, this one. That's the chain type. Alright, so you also have the QR code here. The deposit will be credited to your funding account by default. Now, if by any chance you want to change your default deposit account, you can set it up in the following two ways. First is simply go here at deposit, head to the settings menu at the upper right, and then there's a page under accounts and security right here. Click on that. What will happen is you need to go to deposit at the very bottom, right? And that's it. That's how you change your the settings. Now, if you want to deposit via the mobile app, simply all you need to do is go to the assets again at the bottom right hand corner of the page and choose the deposit button right here. And of course, after selecting that, you need to select the currency or enter your preferred currency in the search box to proceed for the next step. Is it going to be Bitcoin, BTC, or ETH, BIT, USDT, XRP? It's up to you, right? And next, the following steps is on the deposit page, select the correct chain type, and you can either scan the QR code right here in the bottom, or copy the deposit address and use it as the destination address to which you want to send the funds, right? And once again, the deposit will be credited to your funding account by default. And still, if you want to change your default deposit account, select deposits, auto channel to your spot to other accounts, okay? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.